We are here today in the Beaches neighborhood of Toronto, and this house is a 100-year-old semi-detached home. The space was very dark and divided when we first saw it. There were quite a few interior walls, and it felt very closed in. We knew right away that we wanted to open up the space and keep the kitchen as the center of the home. They have young kids, so they're in here a lot doing their homework. They like to entertain, so we wanted to keep the living room and family room, but still be able to have them separate, as well as bring in the Modern Farmhouse-meets-Beachy vibe. When you enter the house, you'll notice that we went with a custom white shiplap, and we continued it up the hallway to lead your eye up the staircase. It also provides a little bit of wall protection for young kids coming up and down. And for the accessories, because we have such a tight space, we really pared them down, kept them simple and soft. The main goal of adding the closet was to separate the front entrance from the living room. The front of the house is meant for entertaining. Originally, there was a gas fireplace insert at the front of the house. We kept the insert, but we refaced it and we added a custom mantle. The reason we went with banquette seating was to give them more room. We have a small family room at the front, so we were able to push the dining table closer to the kitchen and allow for chairs on one side and a banquette on the other. And we decided to go with a caramel leather fabric to keep it family friendly. For the kitchen, we decided to go with white shaker cabinets and black fixtures and finishes. And then for the island, we did a blue color to bring in that beachy feel, as well as the handmade artisan backsplash tile. And then from a functional standpoint, we added a long pantry wall with lots of storage, as well as seating at the island. The lighting over the island was meant to bring in the black accents, again, giving that modern farmhouse feel. And then the glass shade doesn't obstruct your view to the back of the house and our beautiful black windows. For the family room at the back of the house, we wanted to create a cozy feeling. It is an addition, so we have added on some extra space. We were able to incorporate a gas burning fireplace, as well as a lot of seating for movie nights, friends coming to hang out, things like that. For the fireplace surround, we went with a natural tumbled stone to bring in that organic element. We also have a custom wood mantle, as well as a custom wood shelf to the side. The lower allows the family to have some storage, while we have open shelving above so they can display some of their personal items. Instead of doing the classic white shiplap, we decided to paint the wall in a saturated blue color to bring in some of the beach element, as well as to help the artwork pop. Craig, the client, wanted something a little bit more interesting at the back door, so we went with a wood look slate tile cut into a custom pattern, almost to mimic the look of an area rug. So it has its own moment, and it speaks to what we did at the front door. We did something very similar and sort of marries the two looks together. The clients are very happy with how the home turned out and seeing their vision come to life, and that makes us feel great because that's always our main goal.